The new Agilent 1290 and 1260 Infinity Diode Array detectors boost your liquid chromatography to a new level of UV detection sensitivity and baseline robustness. They are the world's most sensitive diode array detectors, giving you more than 10 times higher sensitivity than the current market-leading Agilent 1200 series DAD. The 1290 and 1260 Infinity DADs feature a completely new optical design based on Agilent's MaxLight flow cell with optofluidic waveguides. With a path length of 60 millimeters, this revolutionary flow cell achieves typical noise levels less than plus or minus 0.6 microabsorbance units per centimeter for a new dimension in UV sensitivity. Since less amounts of sample are required for extraction or cleanup, you can simplify your sample preparation methods. You can now detect lower levels of impurities, such as genotoxins, and you'll be prepared for stricter regulative requirements in the future. Chromatographic sensitivity is expressed as the limit of detection, which is usually specified as a signal-to-noise ratio of 3:1. That means increasing the signal height and lowering detector noise leads to higher sensitivity. Beer's law tells us that signal height can be raised by lengthening the optical path. With conventional cell technology, lengthening the optical path would result in a significant increase in cell volume. The increased cell volume would in turn lead to dramatic peak dispersion and peak broadening, not only destroying chromatographic resolution, but also reducing peak height. In combination with the increasing baseline noise, the expected sensitivity gain will be significantly compromised. The new Agilent MaxLight flow cell solves this dilemma. The non-coated optofluidic waveguides utilize total internal reflection for highest light transmission. This enables the path length to be increased to 60 millimeters while keeping the dispersion volume down to 4 microliters. The result is more than 10 times higher signal-to-noise without compromising the chromatographic resolution through dispersion effects on standard Bohr columns. A MaxLight flow cell is also available with 10 millimeter path length and 1 microliter dispersion volume when you require highest sensitivity as well as universal applicability for all analytical column dimensions from 2.1 to 4.6 millimeter inner diameter. The optofluidic waveguides also reduce refractive index effects, resulting in less baseline drift for more reliable and robust peak integration. In the 1260 and 1290 Infinity DADs, the light from the deuterium lamp passes through the MaxLight flow cell and is then dispersed on the diffraction grating before falling on the photodiode array. Each lamp and flow cell has a radio frequency ID tag for full traceability and compliance. The unique programmable slit in the 1290 Infinity DAD allows you to rapidly optimize sensitivity and spectral resolution. If you require maximum spectral resolution, simply narrow the slit to 1 nanometer. For highest sensitivity and lower detector noise, set the slit to 8 nanometers. Ultra-fast LC analyses with small peak widths require fast data rates to maintain chromatographic resolution. The Infinity Diode Array detectors offer both multiple wavelength and full spectral detection at high sampling of 80 Hz with 1260 DAD and 160 Hz with 1290 DAD, keeping pace with the analysis speed of fast and ultra-fast LC. For highest data security during analysis, 1290 Infinity DAD mirrors the data on a recovery card, making sure your precious data is never lost. Make your lab the most productive with the Agilent 1200 Infinity series. It provides you the best solution for any application and any budget. With Infinity capabilities to solve all your analytical challenges with HPLC, RRLC, and UHPLC, the Agilent 1200 Infinity series is the clear choice for infinitely better performance. Agilent Technologies. Our measure is your success.